is the Pennsylvania Railroad's spectacular 4444 T1 duplex steam locomotive. This sleek, streamlined speedster was designed by Raymond Loewy in 1942. It is painted in Mr. Loewy's favorite color, Brunswick green, and accented with gold stripes and red Pensy keystones, just like the GG1, which Mr. Loewy also designed. The drivers are almost 7 feet tall, and the engine and tender measure 122 feet long. That's almost half a football field. The Shark-Nosed Duplex carried passengers between Harrisburg, the capital of Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, and Philadelphia. The Duplex was the Pensy's last mass-produced steam locomotive. It could roar down the rails at speeds over 100 miles per hour, but its duty time was cut short by high maintenance costs and the emergence of the diesel-electric locomotive. Can you imagine what kids must have thought back in 1946 when they were stopped at a railroad crossing and the mighty duplex came roaring through?